So we have another year of this crazy weather here in Austin, Texas. Everything is froze, no sun today. Solar panels completely covered in ice. The neighborhood is out of power. But hey, smart investment. These bad boys still got us power. They still going. Power in the house. Off the grid. We don't have any power. Off the grid. But our neighborhood is still been out power all this morning, and it's almost what 4 in the evening. I think they said in the app it was out ever since 9 this morning. Polar tree. Clean energy. That's the way to go. Best investment you can do. Let's see. See, still have full power. Full power working in the home. Garage door still working and everything. Still have full power. Clean energy.